Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was reading some comments from my last video and some people didn't know how to flat twist, so I decided I'll do a how to flat twist video. So I'm not going to bore you with the detangling process throughout the whole video, just for this first one, and then we can continue. But I was just going for a chunky flat twist out, nothing fancy, because I'm going to wash my hair soon at that point, so just for me to show you guys how to exactly do a flat twist. Okay, so the key is you have to start on the top with two separate parts. So you make your two parts. Braiding, you make 3, here you make 2. You still have your 2 parts. Now I told you guys in the fail twist out video that you do right to left, left to right, but you can do either way, it doesn't matter. You just have to make sure you're overlapping each pair of strands, and as you go down you work your way down. You add a piece as you go down, as you see me doing. So I took the piece, go back around, added another piece from the left side of my hair, kept on going until I reached the bottom to make an actual twist when you do like a 2-strand twist. Okay, again, so 2 pieces, and then you overlap over each other. Keep on adding hair as you go. You pick up hair until you reach the end of your section. Okay, and I did a back view just in case you didn't see the front row. So again, overlapping and adding hair as I go. Hopefully you guys are able to understand it. I try to do it the best way I can to show you guys, but you basically, like I said, adding a section upon a section. And that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.